Hello there, YouTube. Let's see if I got my microphones all plugged in. I think I do. Make sure. Today is Wednesday. I finally get my Wednesday off. It's been a few weeks since I'd have my day off. November and December are just so busy with me having to travel for work and do these basketball tournaments. I was in Pasadena, shot 20 basketball games in 3 days. Then right after Thanksgiving, which I didn't usually have to go the day after, so I only had to go up on a Saturday, but I had to shoot another just 4 games at the what is it, American Airlines Center, where the Dallas Mavericks play. Incredible lighting in there. That's the best lighting I've ever seen for basketball. And I shoot City of Palms in Florida, and it's LED lighting, but they turn it down, so it's nowhere near as good as the American Airlines Center, but it's still good. But they turn it down because the lights are a lot lower and they're really bright, and they crank them up to blind people. So they turn it down a little bit too much to my taste. But anyway, I'm out for my ride and I finally get to take off. I didn't take off early because, I think it got down to 42 last night, but it's supposed to be like 71 today. It's 66 right now, but it's still really nice. So I'm going to go for a couple hours and just ride. So I rode, I guess it was a week ago, just a really quick ride to shoot a little video. My wife and I went for a ride once I took off early on a Sunday, and it was beautiful, like 70 something degrees. So we took off on a Sunday, but I didn't record anything. So I don't know, the bug guts on my windshield, but anyway, what a glorious day. So I have to ride today. I got about 500 miles before I need to change my oil. I checked it last night. I'm at 3,500. I usually change it at 4,000. Last time I checked my oil, it was still clean. And I bought a new Avon Trike front tire. I got about 18,000 on this one, so I'll probably change that out pretty soon too. Maybe when the weather gets nasty, and I'll take off the whole front wheel and take it to my shop and have them change it for me. It does ride really smooth once you get a new front tire on there, but it's getting a little low. I looked at it, it's probably down to the wear bars, so it's getting a little low, but still good. So anyway, I don't know what I'm gonna do today. I don't know where I'm gonna go, but it's a beautiful day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.